First we will find the jugular notch. You can see this is the jugular notch. Now when we slide down, we get a bony prominence. It's also called as angular Lewis, and the rib attached to it is the second rib. Below that we get the second intercostal space. Then going further, we get the third intercostal space. After that we get the fourth intercostal space. This position is very important, as in the right side we place the V1 and in the left side we place the V2 lead. In real situations, we need to inspect the limbs carefully, whether there is an injury or something pricked or anything else. We need to carefully inspect the limbs. After careful inspection, we can then start applying the jellies on the limbs. We need to make sure to use an ECG conductive gel. So it's a very high viscosity material, so we need to apply little pressure on this. So carefully applying on all the limbs. As we have applied the jellies on the limbs, now we will start placing the electrodes. So now we will start placing the electrodes, clamp electrodes. We can see this electrode. So this electrode has one metal shiny end, so which is the conductive end, and other is for the support. You can see one metal end and another is for support. We will just apply it carefully on the part where we have applied the jelly. Similarly, we will be applying on the left leg. You can see this. In the wire there will be marking as F. This clamp is also structurally same and has one part as conductive and second as supportive. The clamp has to be applied carefully on the gel portion where we have attached the gel. We have put the gel over this. We need to place the clamps. After this, we need to apply the clamps on the arms. So first we are going towards right arm. You can see in the cable it is mentioned R, and there is a metal conductive plate. So we need to just place it above the gel. The gel makes the signal conduction quicker from the body to the electrode. Similarly, now we move to left arm. In left arm, you can see the cable has L marking. So here we attach this electrode which is in clamp shape. Same on the jelly part, we apply the clamp. So right, left, then left leg, then right leg. So we have applied all the clamps. Now we will attach the chest electrodes. These are from V1 to V6, or you can say C1 to C6. First we need to identify where is the second intercostal space, jugular notch, angle of Lewis, then second intercostal space, this marking. From mid-clavicular line to downwards towards the fifth intercostal space, we will be placing the V4. Here we will be placing the V4, intersection between the fifth intercostal space and mid-clavicular line. After having the idea of mid-clavicular line, we will be start putting jellies. Now from V1 to V6, we will start applying the suction electrodes. Then we start attaching the leads from V1 to V6. So we first place V1, then V2, then V4, then we will place the V3 lead, this one. After that we will go to axillary line and mid axillary line. This with the intersection with the fifth intercostal space, and in the same line as V4 we will be placing the V5 and V6. After attaching all the leads V1 to V6 and the clamp electrodes, limb leads, we just carefully inspect that everything is in place and all the electrodes are attached properly. Now we will see all the waveforms which are coming from the ECG cable to the ECG machine. We will carefully inspect if all waveforms are correctly coming on the screen, and if there is any waveform missing, we will just adjust the electrode. If the all waves are coming in proper fashion, in proper way, we will give the print command on the ECG machine. After pressing the print option, the ECG printout will come out. So we get this ECG graph. Please do like and subscribe the channel.